Evening and welcome back to the channel. Right back on the Dolomite. Coming up in this video, I get the boot, I put the kettle on, and I get the other boot. I did get a new battery, but unfortunately it got nicked. But what I did get was this smart charger. Now, for giggles and grins, we'll just take a voltage reading on the battery. I'm getting 12.43 volts, which isn't bad. So I think there might be a chance of saving this battery after all, which I'm surprised about. Anyway, we'll get it off. Let's get a 30mm socket. Undo the clamps. Negative first, and I've got my parts there to make up a new earth lead, so I'll just take it off. I really thought this battery had it, but there's a slight chance it might be saved. Put that there, and see about getting this lead off. Let's have a look. It's been a BL car, it'll probably have a imperial fittings, probably trimetric anyway. No, it's not 12. I think 11 will fit. Keep that safe. And see if I can get this one off the earth, the engine earth. And it's not that size socket. I'll just try that 13 again. Yeah, I think that should do it. It's always awkward with the fan belt. I think I might be able to do that one by hand. And out it comes. And you can see seen better days as that. So what we'll do, we've got this Alfred's one, I've got an 18 inch. get that tightened up. And now we'll get my 9-inch cable. Now we're in battery terminal, join the two together. And then give it a toot of the good stuff. I've only gone and left the white grease over there, so I'll be right back. Right, and here it is, white grease. It's just lithium grease, but it's called white grease. So just give that a toot. It's quite good for electrical connections. Prevent the grease. Right, we'll get this battery on charge. Right, I'm over at the garage now, and we shall unbox the battery charger. So it's a £13.99 from Lidl, and I can put a link in the description, but I don't know how long it'll last. This is one of those smart chargers. And it's got different modes as well. What does it say? And I'll get it out of the box first. I have this packaging, and got the manual for it as well. But with this sort of stuff, you know, in Lidl and Aldi, you've got to grab it while you can, because it just doesn't hang around. Once it's gone, it's gone. I mean, sometimes the stuff comes back around again, but you'd be waiting ages for it to come round again. Because I bought the battery tester as well, and they've got them back in again. So just pull that off and we'll see what we've got. Have a quick look in the instructions in several languages. Yeah, there's 4 different types. It's 4 modes for this. Program 1, that's 6 volt. Program 2 looks like it's for motorcycle. Let's see what the different programs are. Let's try to see if it describes the different modes. Program 5. Program 1, yes, for 6-volt batteries. Program 2 for small 12-volt batteries. Program 3 is for larger capacity batteries, like a normal car battery. Program 4 for under cold conditions. So program 4 might be the one first because it's pretty cold, and I think it was snowing as well. So I'll just connect it up. Just remember which way these are. This is a Type 038 battery, which is the same as what the classic Mini uses. And a few other bits. So red to the positive, there's a positive, and that's a negative. Usually have them other way around on most batteries. So that's connected up. We'll just plug it in and see what happens. So it says it's reading 12.4 volts. Program 2, I think. Program 3. And I think I've got on program 4. No, I've changed my mind. I'm going to have it on program 3. And we'll just leave it, and we'll come back to it in the next installment of this video. Okay, so this is not quite the end. I've left it a few days since I charged it, and I'll just go grab my multimeter and see what voltage reading we're getting off it. So we set it to volts DC, and I hope you can see that from here. And we'll just see, put the probes on the battery terminals. 12.82, so that's looking quite hopeful. Well, let's get it on car and we'll do a cranking voltage and see how we go with that. Right, I've got the battery ready to go in. Just move this clamp out of the way. Just get the clamps. There, the terminals out of the way. That's now with these, always the positive terminal on first. Get me ratchet there. Tighten that up. Now our new earth cable. Tighten that up as well. I need to tighten up a bit more. Make sure I've got a secure connection there. So nip it up a bit, and I'll give it a toot of white grease. And we'll get a voltage reading again. And there we go, 12.8 volts on the voltmeter. And I'll just set you up so you guys can see it when it's cranking over. I can put it somewhere where it's not likely to move when the engine's turning over on the starter motor. So just give me a sec and I'll set you up. Right, you set up where you can see the voltmeter, and we'll just get it turned over and see what it's like. time I've no idea what it's like. So what I'll do is I'll spin it over where I can see voltmeter, and we'll see how we go. And the good news is the voltage didn't drop below 10 volts, so I think I may have rescued this battery. I might stick it on charge again, just see how it goes. Yeah, just keep it topped up. But we're looking hopeful, and gonna move on to something else. Right, I'm definitely gonna end it here. So anyway, enough of my waffling. Thanks for watching. Please, any questions and comments, put them down below, and I'll see you later.